Welcome back to Smart Speak English for a brand new deep dive. Today we're tackling something that trips up a lot of English learners. Phrasal verbs. You know, the ones, those little 2, sometimes 3-word combos that pop up everywhere and will often mean something totally different than you'd expect.
Exactly. They can feel like a bit of a secret code, can't they?
Yeah. But that's our mission today, right?
Yeah.
To crack that code.
Absolutely. We want to give you the keys, unlock how to use them so you sound more natural, more confident in just everyday chat.
Because they really are everywhere.
Oh, definitely. For many learners, they're seen as this like final hurdle to real fluency. But they're not just extras. They're fundamental. They are the fabric of informal English.
So what are they fundamentally?
Well, simply put, it's a verb plus a preposition or an adverb.
Yeah.
And that combination, it creates a brand new meaning.
Right. I like the analogy we talked about. It's like the verb puts on a costume. And suddenly it's a totally different character. Like give is just give, but give up. That's completely different.
Precisely. Or look versus look after.
Exactly.
And recognizing that costume change, that shift in meaning, that's the first crucial step. It's not just word plus word.
It's a new unit of meaning.
Yes. And it shows how flexible English can be.
Yeah.
How these tiny words change everything.
Okay, so let's get practical. Let's dive into some really common ones. Seeing them in action helps so much.
Good idea. Where should we start?
How about give up and look after? Kind of opposites in a way.
Okay.
So give up, pretty straightforward, means to stop trying. Like I tried learning guitar once. Totally gave up after like 2 weeks.
Relatable.
But hey, don't you give up on English. That's the key message here.
Definitely not. And look after.
Look after means to take care of someone or something. Like my sister's going away next week, so I have to look after her dog.
Taking responsibility for it.
Right. Making sure it's okay.
And it's interesting, isn't it, how these simple base verbs, give and look, get these really specific common meanings just by adding up or after.
Yeah, they become these handy shortcuts.
Exactly. Quick, informal ways to say things.
Okay, moving on. Let's do some everyday logistics ones. Pick up, turn on, turn off, and maybe run into.
Good ones.
Very common.
Pick up. This one does a lot of work. It can mean collect someone or something. Like, can you pick me up from the airport?
Sure. Or I need to pick up some milk.
Yeah. But then it also means like learning something informally, doesn't it?
You can, yeah. Like I picked up some Italian on holiday.
Or even sensing something like she picked up on his bad mood.
See? One phrase, multiple uses. That's classic phrasal verbs for you. Context is key.
Totally. Okay, turn on and turn off. These seem easy.
Usually are. Start a device, stop a device.
Turn on the TV, turn off the lights. Simple.
But here's a little extra point separability.
Ah, right. Where you can put the object in the middle.
Exactly. You can say, turn off the lights or turn the lights off. Both sound fine.
Correct. That's separable. But then think about run into.
Which means meet someone by chance, right? I ran into my old friend at the supermarket.
Perfect example. Now, can you say, I ran my old friend into?
No, that sounds weird. Wrong.
Exactly. That one's inseparable. The object has to come after. Just noticing that pattern helps you sound more natural.
Good tip. Okay, so run into, meeting by chance, and then the dreaded breakdown.
Oh no, the car one?
Always the car. When a machine stops working, my car broke down on the motorway. A nightmare.
Definitely a nightmare scenario.
And finally, catch up. This one's interesting too.
How so?
Well, it has 2 common meanings, right? Like getting updated on news. Let's grab coffee and catch up.
Hear all the gossip.
Or reaching the same level as someone else. I missed a week of class. I need to catch up on the work.
Right. Getting back on track. Both super useful.
So you see how these little combinations just make English more, efficient.
Efficient, colloquial, yeah. They add flavor. They're shortcuts native speakers use constantly without even thinking.
So the big question, how do you actually learn them without your brain exploding?
Good question. First rule, don't try to memorize massive lists.
Right. That never works.
No. It's about context. Learn them in context. When you hear one, like in a movie or a song.
Try to guess the meaning first.
Yeah, from the situation. Then maybe look it up to confirm. Make a note of the whole sentence, not just the verb.
Like building your own little phrase book based on real examples.
Exactly. Connect the verb to a real situation you understand. That makes it stick.
And crucially, use them yourself. Make your own sentences.
Yes. Even if they feel a bit clumsy at first.
Practice makes progress, right?
Absolutely. And maybe think about this. Isn't it fascinating how these small word pairs can completely flip the meaning of a verb?
Yeah, it really is.
What does that tell you about language? How dynamic it is, how it evolves.
That's a good point. It's like language is always finding these little shortcuts.
It really is. So we encourage you, start noticing them. In conversations, TV shows, articles, you'll see them everywhere once you start looking.
Okay, so that's our deep dive into phrasal verbs. They are super common, incredibly useful, and honestly, they make your English sound much more natural.
They really do.
We hope this helped crack the code for you. If you found this useful, please give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, let us know.
And definitely share it with anyone else wrestling with phrasal verbs. And of course, subscribe to Smart Speak English for more deep dives and smart tips.
Thanks for joining us.